This isn't just AR, it's ambient intelligence. Information anywhere, anytime, without lifting a phone. The glasses will reportedly include dual LiDAR sensors, ambient light sensors, eye tracking cameras, gesture tracking sensors, thermal sensors, environment mapping depth cameras. These sensors will help with real-time environment scanning, 3D object recognition, indoor navigation, hands-free controls, safety alerts when walking or driving. Imagine walking towards traffic and your glasses warn you instantly, or entering a mall and seeing navigation arrows floating in the air. That's the level of awareness Apple is planning. Apple AI Glasses won't work alone. They'll connect with your entire ecosystem. Expected integrations: iPhone, quick notifications, calls, messages. Apple Watch, health data overlay. Mac, floating virtual screens. Vision Pro, shared spatial environment. HomeKit, home automation controls. Apple Music, gesture-based controls. And yes, Apple is rumored to be working on virtual Mac monitors you can wear anywhere. Imagine opening your MacBook and seeing 3 extra screens floating around you, all private and only visible to you. Smart glasses always struggle with battery life, and Apple knows this. Leaks suggest Apple will include dual battery cells inside the temples, a portable magnetic battery band, 8 to 10 hours of regular use, fast charging via a custom magnetic dock. Apple may also include a low-power mode that only shows essential information like navigation, messages, and AI prompts. One major concern with smart glasses is privacy, but Apple's privacy-first approach will likely include visible indicator light when cameras are active, all processing done on device, no facial recognition in public, encrypted voice commands, transparent data processing policies. This might give Apple a big advantage over competitors like Meta, Google, and Samsung. Apple AI Glasses can change multiple industries. 1. Students and learning. Get instant definitions, translations, notes, and AR overlays while studying. 2. Creators and filmmakers. Real-time framing guides, shot suggestions, and AI camera control. 3. Travelers. Automatic translation of signs, menus, street directions, and local information. 4. Fitness and running. Virtual run path guides, live stats, heart rate overlays, and safe route alerts. 5. Professionals. Floating productivity tools, to-do lists, reminders, calendars, and virtual screens. Real-time arrows on roads, indoors, airports, malls, stations. No phone needed. This is not just eyewear. It's the next generation of personal computing. Let's talk about price. Based on manufacturing costs and leaks, base model may start at $799 to $999. Advanced Pro model could be $1,299 plus. Prescription lenses, extra cost. And now the big question: launch date. Multiple supply chain sources confirm that Apple is targeting late 2026 unveiling. If everything goes smoothly, we may see the first teaser at Apple's 2026 September event.